everyone. Welcome to DevOps Bunker. I'm going to create a multiple videos on GitHub Copilot, which will cover full course, and those will be added to GitHub Copilot playlist. Please subscribe to get more updates. So let's start. So what is GitHub Copilot? GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered coding assistant developed by GitHub and OpenAI. It's an AI tool that suggests code in real time as you type directly inside your editor, like VS Code, JetBrains, and there are some other developer platforms also there. So when it comes to features and benefits, it suggests whole lines or blocks of the code, provides multiple code suggestions, supports multiple languages and frameworks, helps with the repetitive tasks, which can save us a lot of time, boost productivity and reduce errors. It can create documentation for our code, again, which can save us a lot of time here also. Why every developer should try it? Because it saves time and effort, great learning companion for new developers, helps solve problem faster, improves coding confidence, and also AI is going to be the future, so we must adapt to it. A small request, please subscribe to the channel if you like the content. It really encourages me to make more videos and courses like this. Now coming back to the video, yes, Copilot also has its risks and drawbacks. So it may suggest vulnerable code like unsafe function and hard-coded secrets. And also it can introduce licensing issues if snippets resemble copyrighted code. That's why we have to review before accepting the code or solution. Suggestions may be incorrect, inefficient, or buggy. So we have to carefully review the solution and accept it. Excess reliance can reduce critical thinking and problem solving. So it can make us dumb. So we should be in a position to at least review the code. Your code is processed by external servers. Potential data exposure risks. It means whatever the input you are giving, so that will be processed by the external servers. So that's why we should not give sensitive data in the input. Copilot is powerful, but human review is essential. You treat it like just an assistant, not a replacement. So human is always responsible to review the code and accepting the solution. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you feel that this video is helpful, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.